Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your LG K90 Rhino 1 Pro. First, check the headphones themselves. This phone lacks a 3.5mm jack, so use USB-C headphones or an adapter. Restart the phone by pressing power and volume up, then tap restart to resolve minor issues. After restart, try another pair of headphones to rule out issues with the original ones. Update your phone software by going to Settings, System, and System Updates. If using an adapter, ensure it's certified or original, as third-party adapters may cause detection issues. For Bluetooth headphones, toggle Bluetooth off and on by going to Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, then Bluetooth. Forget and repair your headphones, go to Save Devices, tap the gear icon, select Forget, then Pair New Device. Put your headphones in pairing mode and select them from the list. Allow access to contacts and call history if prompted. Make sure your headphones are fully charged and avoid interference from other nearby devices by turning off Bluetooth on them. As a final step, update your software again if needed. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.